Hello YouTubers, if you want to learn how to generate AI avatar based videos for sales automation or just content generation for your marketing agency or for your business, then stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so everything starts in Airtable. That's what I usually use for managing the content. And I generate these nice tables. As you can see, I usually have I control all the form of the video, like title, video script. I can repurpose this content from a video script to TikTok post, hashtags, URLs, or YouTube tags, and actually upload the video itself. And I can control how this content is managed. So published, what's the status of the content? Is it published? Is the script and that's how really professional marketing agencies, content management agencies do their work. They have a little background system database such as this. And here you can generate push buttons that create different automations. So for example, writing the script, writing the video, generating audio. And this is something you can control to give away to employees having different permission levels. So here I can check, I can have to create different views. And then your employees would be actually only limited to that particular view. They will be working in their own little domain. Okay, and here I can generate different templates, video templates. So it's a similar table as shown before. And let me show you the video that you're gonna see. So I can just.
On December 10th, Asian stock markets saw a noticeable uplift, building on optimism as the US dollar experienced weakening ahead of forthcoming consumer price index reports in the
So I hope that video was available, but not. I will leave a link below to show you the sample. As you can see, there's an AI avatar shown here, and it basically has a script that he's telling you. We can combine it with an 11 Labs voice to make it better. There is an image at the background that is also custom to each scene. This is one scene of a chain of video. These could be combined later on for a long form video. You can see there's a text, so Asian stocks rise. That's also customized for each of the scenes. So theoretically, you could create a non-stop generating news channel where an AI avatar gives you full content on the latest news every day, all day, automated. Okay, and so everything starts in make.com. We want to get the source, some kind of source material. Could be scraping a website for the financial news. Could be creating RSS feed and RSS apps, and you can connect it into make.com. Here I'm just generating I'm just scraping a video, a website where we have a large array of blogs, blog articles, and then I parse it. Let's see. So I'm using Finviz in this example. Finviz is a very financial news site. You can let's check out the link. So here you can see a large array of articles, and I can have the AI read all of those, pick the right ones based on keywords and topics or niche, and it creates its own little news segment, so basically these articles, written text articles converted into video. This has huge value, could be utilized by your clients if you're a marketing agency, or like a traffic source if you were an affiliate marketer, for example. So let's see how this automation workflow is done. So after parsing the website, we're going to have a very large text content which we need to extract. So what we're going to do, we're going to feed it into a ChatGPT to make sure that we only get the relevant data. Okay. Choices, message, content. So it returns the top 5 most important news regarding certain parameters. So here it returns for me Zoin. California real estate mogul put politics aside and get Los Angeles rebuilt. It's probably related to the recent fires that happened. So there's a focus the source, we have the URL, and now we can pass this on to the next AI agent um, who will read the article, summarize it. But we have a number of articles, therefore we need to iterate through each of those articles, right? So we're gonna split up these 5 different items, and then we use an iterator to feed it through individually into another agent, the newswriter agent. You can see it runs through and creates a custom script. So let's check it out. And as you can see, it organizes the data into JSON format, so we can nicely split it up and individually process it later on. So here's a new headline: Rebuilding Los Angeles, text and body, and there's an URL of the image and an image prompt. So it also generates an image prompt that is relevant to the particular news segment, which will be fed into the image generator agent one step later. And then we have JSON. We split up these variables so we can individually process them. And then we have the image generation, and all these variables are passed on to Heygen. And the way you do it is you can use you have to use the URL. You can check out the documentation, and you have this particular. You have to use your template ID / generate. It's a post method. You use the API key, which I will need to change, and then you have your request content, which is very important. You have to pass on these variables that you created. I will leave this script in the description below for you to use. But it's important that you have to name exactly the variables, same as I did, and then it should work. So here you can see we have the text message, which is the news headline, and then we pass on that JSON variable, and then the next one we actually load the image. So we have a news image variable, which is the type of an image, and within the properties we define a URL. So the image generator module will pass on a URL which we loaded in here, and then it will be downloaded by Heygen. And then we have a news headline right here. Sorry, so that was news headline. This is the news body. Okay. Also possible to use the audio, an external audio like 11 Labs, and then you use the URL from 11 Labs and you plug it in here. So therefore your audio will be a little bit better quality. Okay. And then, so basically it starts generating these URLs, and then we have a webhook set up in Airtable that we capture the webhook and load it into Airtable. Now let's see what's the output. Again, we can see it here. So we are capturing these via an automation. So we have this is a more, there are other automations present, not just this particular template. So here you have Heygen webhook, which monitors the particular, okay, let's see. So we have a particular webhook link. It creates a record every time a new webhook is received, and that's what we're seeing in that particular table. If you go back to the video template, here we can see the video downloaded. We have a video ID and a video URL. After this, you can have another automation where you can take these links and combine them into one video, one long form video. I can show you that as well for completeness. So Airtable list to movie. So when we are happy with the number of video segments, we can combine them. We have a little, you can have a little action button here. So we can basically, it would be like a library, and you can select switch out in and out different segments of this content, or later pull them into a new content if you want to repurpose it. So this is the idea. This is why these are split up into different scenarios. So here, once you trigger the webhook, it creates again an API call to Heygen, and then it's going to the JSON video, which combines the list of videos and then creates a record again. And in a movie generation table. Okay, and that's how you combine these video segments into long form content. You can also create additional automations where you can automatically upload it to social media. I think I'm gonna make another video where I'm gonna show you a full, maybe more, not just how you generate, but how we also distribute this content across different social media. If you want to see that video, make sure you leave a comment below. And if you watch this long, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much. If you could like the video and subscribe, much appreciated. Thank you.